Hi, this is Karen from Firefly. I have another kit to tell you about. This one is our Intensive Age Defying Kit. So it comes with 4 products, and what this is for, obviously for age defying, so it's going to be boosting collagen and hydrating too. So the first thing that it comes with is this hydrating toner. This is in a cute little spritzer bottle, so you can spray it on your face or you can spray it onto a cotton and apply it that way. The next one is this serum. This is called Total Strength Serum, and this will help to boost collagen production, and it also is really great for, it can hydrate too, but the main thing is it's boosting the collagen production in your own skin, so it's strengthening from underneath. And then also really important for age defying is your eyes. So this is our Ideal Complex Revitalizing Eye Gel, and I love this eye product because just a little bit goes a really long way, and you can put it on the top of your eyes, so on your eyelids too. A lot of eye products you only put on the underneath part, but this you can put all over, even on the eyelid, and it will strengthen and tone and tighten the skin around the eyes. And then finally, as a moisturizer, we have this Collagen Hydrator. So this again is going to help to boost collagen production and is really hydrating and really great for anti-aging. This is one of my most popular moisturizers also. So those are the 4 products for the Intensive Age Kit. And the price for that is $198. So we're doing this price while supplies last. We have a few of the kits here at Firefly, and we can also drop ship these to you. So again, it's $198 for the kit. So this would be a great gift for somebody that you know, that maybe your mom or your sister, and we can also drop ship it as well. So the $198 price is a savings of 20%. So you're saving a little bit if you buy them all together. And just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much, and get your glow on at Firefly.